Hello people, how y'all doing? So, back out with this one, and this one's got something to confess. Say something, Brad, say hello.
I got my tongue pierced.
What an absolute plonker.
I don't even know why either.
He is gonna get his tongue pierced. He messaged me yesterday and said, look what happens when I leave him alone. And then shows me a picture of his tongue with this bloody stupid bar through it. I think it's a bit gay.
I like it.
He likes it.
I don't care what people think.
He likes it, so he can keep it. At the moment, it sounds like he's talking with a sausage in his mouth.
Yeah, because my tongue's swollen. Oh, that
this is going to be a funny vlog with him talking like this. Oh my god. So yeah, I think we're going to go and do a little bit of magnet fishing because I'm either into go magnet fishing because I like magnet fishing. Only because I'm better than Brad at it, that he doesn't like it. And then I think we might go and have a mooch around the Trafford Centre.
No, I don't can't be bothered.
So stay tuned. I might get one vlog out of it. I might get two.
Ashes, give a thumbs up if Ash should get his tongue done.
Ash is not getting his tongue done. Not even for 1 million subscribers. Ash is not gonna get his tongue done.
Thumbs up for Ash to get his nipple done.
And I ain't getting my nipple pierced. I ain't having any piercings whatsoever, people. I've happily said to Brad, if he pays for it, right, but this is going to cost him twice because he's going to pay for a £30 tattoo on one arm, but if he pays for that first and I have that done, I said to him, I will get a That's Brad tattoo.
Get your nipples on.
I'm not getting any piercings.
That'll be funny.
So,
you'll fail.
leave your comments if you think Brad should pay for a £30 tattoo for me of my own choice, and then I'll get a That's Brad tattoo on me somewhere. I'm not getting it massive, and I'm not getting it anywhere that is blatantly obvious, like on my forehead or anything stupid. But I will get one, so leave your comments below if you think Brad should pay for me to have a That's Brad tattoo done.
You need to play this back. I want to hear what I sound like.
I'll play it back, alright, don't you worry. People, I did have a pair of gloves, but I seem to have misplaced them somewhere, so that's the reason I've not got gloves on today, but I have got a pair of gloves. Let's see what we can find. Look how clean my rope is as well, I've soaked it in bleach.
Hello. Yesterday I had a mental, what do we call it, impulse. I had to go and do it.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah, that's what I'm calling it. So I went and did it. I feel quite good about it. But here's what I did. I got my tongue pierced.
Just silt there, people. I don't think you can see very well because of the sun. Cause you crazy fool!
I'm crazy. Cause I'm crazy. I can't remember that song. Someone played that me once. Saying that was crazy. I thought everybody was imaginary. Well, it could be. Couldn't it? That could be imaginary. Or Ash could be imaginary.
I'm living in the Matrix.
I live in the Matrix. Maybe we are in the Matrix. Right, you're getting onto a subject there that people are going to start thinking that's vagina.
Nice big bolt. Can't bloody see anything. We'll have to move spots. Miscellaneous bits of God knows what. What a stone, but like metal stone. So it sounds like stone, but it's obviously magnetised. Another one, magnetic stones. Didn't think you could get such things. A hell of a lot of silt in this one as well. Can you see it all? Can't believe I forgot my gloves, people. People have been asking me to put gloves on, so I'm going to put the gloves on. But I've forgotten them today, so yeah. Nice day today, people, as well, by the way. Nice sunny day, it's not too cold. Actually quite warm, to be fair, today. So yeah, as you've all seen, Brad's having his life crisis where he's at, where he is, tongue paste. It sounds funny.
What? Cool, man.
What did you get? Sure it is. Little one. Big size one, little one. Surprised there's not a lot on this side here. I thought there'd be more over here. Can you get out? Nope. Straight back in. Well, yes, people, as I was saying, I have got gloves. I just forgot them. Yeah. What's that Brad found? Doesn't look like it's very dangerous. It might be a fishing knife or something like that, Brad. Oh, there's a canal boat. Yeah, I thought I'd have found a lot more stuff here. So just over the way there we found motorbikes and trolleys and God knows what. That motorbike's been thrown back in actually. Because we couldn't remove that, we couldn't get it in Brad's car, so we left it at the side of the canal. So chances are that got thrown back in. We do want to try and get a van, so that rather than giving all this scrap away, take it home, collect it up, and get a van full. Probably 100 quid worth of scrap.
But need a van, man.
That's what I'm just saying, we need to get a van. Brad, there's a magnet here.
Go put it away.
Looking for gold?
Oh, if only gold was magnetic.
Yeah, you are. I don't think you'll find much in this canal, like in that respect. No.
Found motorbike over there the other week.
Well, it was. If you'd have come here 2 weeks ago, it was there propped up.
Yeah,
we put it there.
We pulled it out
We
the
pulled it
canal.
out. We pulled it out.
Yeah.
We pulled it out with that.
So, oh my God,
It's probably gone back in there, to be fair.
Well, yeah, it's disappeared anyway.
Yeah, it's probably
But there's a fella comes around the neighbourhood that takes scrap metal. So if you leave it in the street,
right, well that's good to know because we're from Stockport and that's what we normally do. We normally give it all to scrap men.
Well, last time.
you know what? I mean, I don't say it comes around every day, but if you leave like an old fridge or something like that on the side of the street, and he comes by, he'll pick it up because
when we found that bike, we contacted the scrap metal guy.
Bennett's is the nearest one just up here.
He either came and picked it up or.
Oh right, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we try not to get it back all put back in, you see.
So what's the reason for doing all this, by the way?
YouTube.
Hey?
YouTube. You heard of YouTube?
YouTube. That's something you do on your phone, isn't it?
No, it's
YouTube.
Like it's like
which I don't use.
a video. So we make videos.
Oh yes. So
we're gonna try it in now, people. Can't really. Can you see from there? Yeah, you can. Ugh. I think I found it. Oh, I've only found one nice after on me. Yeah. We found quite a few. Oh, what's this?
What?
A piece of metal rod. You see it, people? So we are finding bits and bobs. Silt. What?
Potato.
Potato. Could do the 5 guys milkshake. Yeah. Can. What there? Piece of metal. You having fun there, Brad?
Not really.
What?
Not really.
Not having much luck here today, are we?
No, but you know, can't win them all.
Ah, you're weird.
Oh,
I think he's beyond help, this lad.
do you not like doped up bread?
Doped up, Brad. What's that? Is that another piece of bridge?
Yeah. Well, thank you for all that. I turned around for a second.
Just got it all. A lot of old wire. That's what that is. I don't know, people, how. I don't know if you can see it. Is it better if I do it that way? See all this wire here? Look at it all. It's all the way there. All there. Why does something like that end up in a canal? I don't understand it. Oh, I've got a pedal bike tyre as well. Pedal bike tyre. I just don't understand it. There's Brad with his sausage in his mouth talking. Well, that's pretty much all I found. A few bits of scrap metal, nothing major. Oh well, another day, another dollar. Right people, we're calling it quits today. Not really had a good day. Well, it's been alright, you know, I've enjoyed it, but just not many miraculous finds, is there today, Brad?
No, not much.
So, yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget we've got a PO box which you'll find in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.